Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set up Java development in Visual Studio Code. So let us start. First thing, you need to download and install Visual Studio Code, and you can download it from Google site, and you can click here and you can download it from here, download for Windows. But here I have already installed this Visual Studio Code. Now the second part is you need to install Java Jdk, and you can download that Java Jdk here, and make sure you download the Java Jdk from this site, that is oracle.com. Here you can see the available Java is Java 18 and Java 17, and you can download it from here. It's in different platforms: Linux, macOS, Windows. We have to install for Windows, so we can install this one, bin.exe. But in this system I have already installed. I have already made a video for downloading and installing Java Jdk. I will put that link in the description, and you can watch how to download and install Java Jdk. And also you have to set the environment variable when you install Java Jdk. Now the last thing, you have to download and install Visual Studio Code pack for Java. So let us search here and write down here Visual Studio Code Java pack. Here you can click this link, code.visualstudio.com, and here you can see install the code pack for Java Windows. We need to install this, and click here to download. Here you can see it's downloading here, but I have already downloaded it. Click cancel here, and we can go to the downloads. Here you can see Java coding pack -0.4.1. Double click on it and minimize this window. Now you can see setup window has been launched for coding pack for Java. Here I accept the license. Click next. And if you have installed both the Java Development Kit and Visual Studio Code, it will show the version of both of these. Here you can see the 18 version of Java Development Kit and 1.70.0 for Visual Studio Kit. Both are in OK mode. Now click install. It will take some time to install. Now you can see the coding pack for Java has been installed. Click finish and it will launch the Visual Studio Code. Now the Visual Studio Code has been launched. This is the interface window, and you can start creating project here. But before that, we can open here folder where you can save your projects. For example, I will open this folder and I can select the download, and here I will create a new folder here. You can name here whatever you want. I will put here VS Code and select this folder and select folder, and it will open for our workspace. Click save. Click here I trust the authors. Here you can see it's opened with this folder VS Code. We can also use other way to open from this folder. First here click close and go to the folder downloads and click here VS Code and click this location here, copy, close, and open your command prompt cmd. Here you can go to your VS Code directory and click paste here location and enter. Now you are in the VS Code directory, and we can start the Visual Studio Code from this folder. And we have to write here command code and dot, and it will open the Visual Studio Code from this VS Code folder. Click enter. Now you can see it has launched the Visual Studio Code having this folder VS Code, where you can now create new files. We can create here new file and let us name it my file.java. Now click here, enter. Now you can see that my file.java has been created, and click this window, get started, closed. And now we can write here class, and it will show us the two classes. Choose the second one, which is the automatic code generator. Click here. Now it will show us the public class myFile, and we can here write some codes to print something. Now you can here write main, and you can click here first one, and it shows the public static void main. Now we can use some string to print. Click here, write string x is equal to, now in inverted commas, hello world, and semicolon. Click enter and write down here system dot print x, print line x. Now you can run this program by clicking here, run. Here you can see the output, hello world. Or you can set the breakpoint by clicking here, and now you can click here debug, which will debug this program, and it can show you the debug. Here you can see, and you can click it back to remove the breakpoint. Now we have removed the breakpoint. Now this is how you can set up the Java development in Visual Studio on Windows 10 operating system. I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching.